Welcome to another weekly roundup. This week we looked at the effect that humans have on biodiversity, and you probably figured out that we pretty much always decrease biodiversity. Even when we try to do right and increase it, it often goes wrong and we decrease it. Specifically, you learned about desertification, where fertile land turns into desert, and deforestation, where you take a forest and we cut it down, we clear fell it to use the land for something else, so there's no forest anymore. That means there's a loss of habitat, the things that live there don't live there anymore, and there's less biodiversity. We learned about some hazards that we cause. That was things like overfishing, intensive agriculture, genetic pollution, overpopulation, climate change, acid rain, oil, chemical spills, sewage. Sewage is a particular one you might come across because it increases the level of bacteria. The bacteria use up oxygen, there's no oxygen for the fish, and that causes the fish to die, leading to a lack of biodiversity. And then towards the end of the week, we were looking at natural hazards, and that was things like forest fires, earthquakes, volcanic activity, tsunamis and hurricanes, all of which decrease biodiversity. Next week, we'll be going on to find a wee bit more about what biomes and ecosystems are and some of the parts of the ecosystem.